Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will create a stacked card animation using GSAP ScrollTrigger. The front card falls down as we scroll, and the remaining cards shift forward with a smooth animation. To build this effect, we will use timelines, labels, and pinning to control scroll-based animations. The design is also responsive and works well on all screen sizes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. Inside the main section, we have a card container. We have multiple cards inside it. We add the CDN link to use font awesome icons. Each card has an icon and a title. In this animation, the first card will be placed at the back, and the last card will appear at the front. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we design the layout and prepare the cards for the animation. We define CSS variables for the width and height. The section covers the full height of the screen. We also use a dark gradient background. The card container is centered both horizontally and vertically, and all cards are stacked at this center point. Both the container and the cards use the same size to keep the layout consistent. All cards overlap and stack in the same position. The content is centered vertically and horizontally. We prevent the content from overflowing outside the card. Each card has a different color. These avoid repeating color values. If we add a new card, we only need to define a new color. The border color is semi-transparent. The background is combined with a dark base to create depth. We also create a top bar using the card's main color. We make the icon large and slightly transparent. The title uses a semi-transparent white color and uppercase letters. Now we add media queries to make the layout responsive. The cards become wider on smaller screens. We also reduce the icon and text sizes. Now let's move on to JavaScript. In this part, we create a scroll-based animation and control how the cards move and shift. We include the CDN links to use GSAP ScrollTrigger. This plugin enables ScrollTrigger animations. We select all the cards and store the total number of cards. We also define the vertical gap between the cards. The cards in the back are slightly smaller to create depth. We calculate how far each card is from the front. The card with the highest index will be at the front, and the card with index 0 will be at the back. We move the cards upward and the back cards move more. The front card has a scale of 1 and the back cards are smaller. We use the index to control the card layers. We create a timeline connected to the scroll. We target the main section for this animation. It starts when the top of the section reaches the top of the viewport. We set the scroll distance based on the number of cards. Pin keeps the section fixed while the animation plays. Now we create the drop and shift animations. We start from the card with the highest index. We use labels to mark important points in the timeline. First, the front card moves down. We make it fall below the screen. It also rotates randomly. This creates the drop effect, so the cards fall down one by one. But at this stage, the cards in the back don't shift forward yet. Now we make the remaining cards shift forward. After the current card falls, the new front card becomes I-1. In this way, we recalculate the cards' positions. The cards move up slightly and become larger. We can adjust how fast the cards shift. We add a delay relative to the label. First the card falls, then the others move. And there you have it. We built a stacked card animation with the drop and shift effects using GSAP ScrollTrigger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.